Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ICP and an update on it. I wanted to give you my thoughts. I know that a lot of you are still interested in ICP. ICP is still fundamentally, all right, to start off positive. ICP is still doing pretty good, all right, given the circumstances in the market right now, which are not ideal. I mean, you can see that ICP actually made highs right here. The 18th of January in total value locked. A bit of a spike. Maybe they didn't include some value at first, and then they did. And no, it seems that Sonic has had a major increase and then a decrease. Doesn't matter, but fundamentally ICP is doing fine. Technically, I am a little bit less enthusiastic about it, and I'll tell you why. I know the ICP community is fairly well, I wouldn't say angry, but most of you that really like ICP want to always be bullish on ICP, and I want to be that as well, all right? And I'll talk about what's necessary. But just to be fair, if I look at all of the numbers right now on ICP, we still have a major support level right here at 10.5 and arguably even $10, even though technically that's not that strong. So we still have a great support here, but it doesn't look too great for ICP, and I'll tell you why. First of all, to perhaps start off with some more positive news. If we look at I'm actually not sure if this is positive. Yeah, I mean, this is relatively positive. I mean, there's still quite a lot of liquidity at 14.4. I would say it's a bit too high, but if the markets actually get a little bit more bullish, which is not the case right now. I mean, right now, Bitcoin is falling. Bitcoin dominance is relatively bullish here. So usually what that means is that altcoins are bleeding, including ICP, even though fundamentally it's more bullish. So there is a ton of liquidity up here, and that's actually bullish because that means that there's a bit of a magnet to this level up here. But like I said, given the current circumstances, it doesn't look likely that we'll get there. And unfortunately, there's also quite a lot of liquidity to the downside around and above $9. So then, if we look at some more numbers and we do a deeper dive into ICP, what we'll see is that the CVD, I mean, the price has been relatively stable in this level. Like I said, it's a strong support level. 10.5 all the way up to 11.5, which is now resistance, but it's one big zone, is pretty strong, all right? There's nothing wrong with that level. But then, if you look at the open interest, which I usually see as the momentum, that peaked, that was pretty high when the price was a bit higher. Now actually put it on the 1 hour time frame. But as you can see, it's nearing the bottoms, all right? And you can also see right here that it reached the bottoms we also made January the 11th. So that was right here. Then we actually found support at 11.8 right here. But right now the price is lower. Open interest is at the same levels, and the open interest is overall it's very low, all right? So you can see it's green right now, and we're finding some support. And I actually also do expect support from ICP, all right? I expect some bullish momentum up to the levels right here at 12 and 12.5, and expect this level to hold. But at some point of time, this area is going to break. And if I look at the momentum that ICP has right now, and if I look at the strength of ICP, which is not really there, and the state of the market, I would say it's most likely that a bearish breakout is most likely, and a bearish breakout almost guarantees a drop down to that level at the liquidity between 9.5 and $9. So that's what I think is little sneeze, but that's what I think is most likely. I can be, I mean, like I said, if the market changes, fundamentally ICP has potential. So then something is possible, but then I'll also make a new update. At this moment, given what I'm seeing right now, it seems most likely that we'll hold this level for some time more, but after a while, get a bearish breakout and grab liquidity to the downside. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description and the pinned comment. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.